In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV with student discounts. If you're a student looking for affordable ways to stream live sports, this guide will help you save money while enjoying the games. Let's get started. While YouTube TV doesn't offer a specific student discount, there are still ways to make it budget-friendly. Check if your school provides access to streaming services or partnerships with YouTube TV. Consider splitting the cost with roommates or family members, as YouTube TV supports up to 6 profiles and 3 simultaneous streams. Take advantage of free trials, if available, to test the service before subscribing. Additionally, explore promotions or bundle deals. For example, T-Mobile customers, including students on family plans, may qualify for special offers. Once subscribed, download the YouTube TV app on your device, log in and browse channels like ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC for live football games. With these tips, you can enjoy the games affordably. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.